Hey everyone, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping and thank you for clicking that play button. Today you're taking a closer look at our 2025 Buick Envision Sport Touring. With just under 16,000 miles, this Buick Envision is equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged gas engine. It's all-wheel drive and it also has a clean CARFAX with only one previous owner. In the front, you will find this Buick well equipped with high-intensity headlights. With LED daytime running lights, you'll also have fog lights, a front camera, and front proximity sensors. Making our way around the wheel and tire setup, you'll have a 20-inch alloy wheel wrapped up in a like new set of Continentals, and we'll get into the exact tread depth here in just a moment. On the outside, you'll enjoy nice features like blind spot monitoring, side cameras. You'll also have keyless entry here. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. You'll be met with a nice black on black theme here with nice elements such as leather and stitching and ambient lighting. As you can see, that will continue throughout the entire interior of this Buick. And of course, once inside, you'll be kept comfortable by these leather seats. Additionally, located in the glove box of all of our vehicles, you'll find the multi-point inspection. Here you can see the tires range anywhere from 7 to 8/30 seconds. And the brake pads are good to go and everything else is green, checked off by our technicians. We take care of the wearables here at All Things Automotive, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing with us. Looking into the back seat, your passengers will have plenty of space and they'll enjoy nice amenities like a flow-through center console with USB and USB-C charging, storage on the back end of the seats, and a fold-down cup holder and armrest. Let's go ahead and make our way to the rear here. Nice LED tail lights with your rear camera and rear proximity sensors. Let's go ahead and open the hatch here. As you can see, nice privacy cover, super clean carpets. A lot of space back here, folks, for this size of vehicle, and those seats will fold flat on an 80-20 split. Making our way to the driver door, let's go ahead and go over some of your options here. You will have memory seating and easy exit and entry here. You also have power windows, door locks, and mirror adjustments with Bose premium sound all the way around. Here you have some selectable driving modes with your electronic parking brake, lane keep assist, auto start and stop. You'll also have brightness and dimming controllers for your interior and cluster lighting. Here at All Things Automotive, you will receive 2 keys for your added convenience. And as you can see, this key fob is equipped with lock, unlock, remote start, and panic. To the right of the steering wheel, you'll have your push button start. Let's go ahead and confirm the mileage. Really beautiful display here. And you also have heads up display. Before I forget, let's go ahead and check that out there. So that's easily accessible right on your touch screen. You can customize your information that you see on there. So really nice feature here in these Buicks. Again, nice continuous curved screen here. Really nice bright display. As you can see, just under 16,000 miles. And as far as steering pneumatic controls are concerned, you will have forward collision, cruise control settings, and sport paddle shifters at the rear. And to the right, you'll have some selectors for that center screen and some more media options, and of course, capability to pair your phone via Bluetooth and be hands-free. On the main display side here, you will have a Wi-Fi hotspot, all of your streaming services, and then Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you do have nice smartphone integration here and tons of apps you can download through My Buick here, Google News, Google Apps, which does include Google Maps. Down below, you'll have some simple climate controls with a little bit of hideaway storage here. That'll reveal your wireless charging, USB, USB-C, and a 12-volt here. You do have a media selector here with nice options for your volume right at the touch of your fingertips here, folks. 2 cup holders and a nice bifold split center console here. And if we bring our attention up top, you will have an auto dimming rear view mirror with your OnStar and SOS services. So let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged gas engine. As you can see, super clean. No evidence of exhaust leaks, oil leaks, or anything of that nature. Our crew always does a fantastic job of making these vehicles ready for the next buyer. Along with that multi-point inspection, this Buick has also received a fresh oil change, new cabin air filter, and a fresh Pennsylvania state inspection. In the last portion of this video, this is where I'll go over any dings, dents, or imperfections you may or may not find on this Buick. Keeping in mind that it is a pre-owned vehicle, none are perfect, but we do like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting at the front here, a nice brilliant red exterior here. You are going to have some stone chips and blemishes here on the hood. Looks like a touch-up spot right here. Your high gloss black grill insert is in fantastic condition along with your silver accents here. And then you have nice bright headlights and fog lights. all the way down to your splitter here and lower bumper fascia, your front proximities. All of the material around those are in fantastic conditions, along with your side markers. No curb rash on those alloy wheels here, all the way up to your A-pillar. A few small cosmetic blemishes here on the mirror cap, otherwise very nice shape. All your plastics are in fantastic condition, along with your badging. No scuffs or scratches around the door handle here. A few scuffs and scratches on the high gloss outer door trim pieces. Looking inside, exceptionally clean. Not going to be a lot to go over here, folks. No rip stains, tears, or odors. Let's go ahead and take a look at the condition of the leather seats. Very good condition. Again, no rip stains, tears. Headliner's clear of any rips or tears. Let's go ahead and take a look into the back seat here, and the condition stays the same. Really exceptional. Brand new, like new, as new as you can get here at All Things Automotive. 2025 Buick. Tail lights are nice and clean. High gloss black on your rear bumper. Almost like a smoked chrome here on the outside. Very sporty, very attractive vehicle here. All your high gloss black trim pieces around your wheel and tire setup. Again, fantastic condition. If you have any questions on this Envision, give us a call at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 3 for sales. Additionally, you can shop online 24/7. You can even get yourself pre-approved. It's a super easy process, and it takes about 10 minutes of your time. And make sure you ask our sales consultant about extended coverage, because this vehicle will qualify. Now, you will have the remainder of the factory warranty from Buick, but you can extend that out for your peace of mind here at All Things Automotive. 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.